video.
Ooh, this is going to be a big one.
Yes,
this is going to be huge. This is going to go all the way down here.
This is how I call. Guys, it's coming straight at us.
Yeah.
That's it, right? 5 meters.
This is it.
Yeah, 5 meters. I call 3 meters.
This is the moment of truth we're waiting for.
Maybe not.
Not funny.
We're gonna check what we are made of.
Not funny. Still not funny.
Yeah, it's going to pick up some steam, I think. Once it gets over that lip there.
No, I don't know.
It might be
Oh yeah, it's still going.
still going, so
After the turn, it should be strong.
maybe.
Maybe. But who knows? Maybe there's a hole there too.
Yeah.
Oh, it started nice.
Maybe another one.
What a lame avalanche.
Because you didn't like her.
Yeah.
I was a bit concerned, that's right.
Yeah, you were concerned with how far it was.
I stopped it, eh?
Felt that.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll back off.
Yeah.
You have superpowers.
We're talking 3 meters, 5 meters. She's talking 5 kilometers.